So hey, I'm in the public beach right now, so trying to fly this drone, and I'm at the at Connolly Road actually, and this is the Queens Highway, and this is the public beach just nearby Wyndham. All right, let me fly it. This is the public beach in the Colliers Way. Nobody's here right now. It's so quiet, huh? It's 6 in the evening. So I'm going back home now, so done flying. So I just live nearby, so about 10 minutes drive from here. It's really close to the resort where I work at Wyndham. So now again, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and then my IG, and then my Facebook page. Yeah, I show you the way. So there is a way. I'm gonna go home, just nearby. Hello. Hey, I'm going in the Civic Center with Deep actually, because this guy's like keep on calling me for almost twice, from since he bought his drone actually, because he needs some, like assistant. So we're going the Civic Center. I think he is there already. The Civic Center actually is the one of the shelter in the island nearby where I live, and that's where I practice when I bought my my drone also. So he is there right now, so he says like come and come. He called me up and he messaged me, so yeah, I have to go. All right, I see you there. So I'm driving, going that way now at the Civic Center. I show you the way, just close by, about 5 minutes drive. So let me. So we're driving towards there right now. So I can apply his drone. We'll see. He has the DJI Pro. He's so excited first time he got those drone anyway. This is where So as you can see, Civic Center shelter. You see that? Yeah. There's like hurricane, like if there's any big disaster things in the island, so everybody unnecessary if you'd like to stay at home. See this basketball court at the right side, and there's the football field down here. Chevrolet. See, it's flying. Yeah. I forgot to bring my tripod. My goodness. See, we're flying here.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
See, he's flying down there. Got it? Yeah, I told you, man. Just try to walk. See. So I gonna fly. Following me. I gonna fly mine too.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So right here. Done flying. I forgot my tripod. And then I cannot video. My goodness. But anyway, we're done flying. And then going home now. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell button and you guys being updated all the time that I have new video. Right.